Morning, beautiful souls and beautiful friends here. This is Elisa card, and I don't want you to miss an event that is designed just for you beautiful ladies. This event is in Marbella, Spain. Look, Marbella, La Plage Casanis in Marbella, Spain, and I invite you to come and discover how to be serene and successful. And also, I will tell you what you will discover: 7 awesome life lessons from me, the 5 sons single mother at a time, who happily succeeded from misery. If you think your life is not right, if you want to really design your life, then it all starts with inside, with who you are. So it's happy mind, happy life. Come to this event or come to any of my events, but this one in particular is going to be all day long, and we will make you create, manifest the life of your dreams. So I just want for you to be there and enjoy your life and be totally serene. Bye.